Okay, so solving equations should be straightforward. Take a look at A, though. Look, we have a y on both sides. I'm going to subtract y from both sides to combine, right? So the equation becomes 2x, subtract y, so equals negative 8y, right? And then the bottom equation is y equals x plus 10. The top equation wasn't even simplified, right? So now I'm going to use substitution, right, just because it's already solved for me like this. I could even simplify the top equation more by dividing by 2, but it's quite simplified now. So I get 2x equals negative 8 times x plus 10, right? Substitute x plus 10. So 2x equals negative 8x minus 80. Add 8x to both sides. 10x equals negative 80. Divide by 10, x equals negative 8. And then here, right, y equals negative 8 plus 10, y equals 2. So negative 8, 2 would be the ordered pair. Okay, let's do B. Let me make space. So B, I have 3x equals negative 5y, and 6x minus 7y equals 17. Let's use elimination just to change it up a bit, right? So I'm going to change the top, right? Here's the system. The top equation, I'm just going to bring everything to one side. So I have 3x plus 5y equals 0. And the bottom equation, 6x minus 7y equals 17. And now even further, I'm going to multiply the top by negative 2 times negative 2, right? So I'm going to get negative 6x minus 10 y equals 0, and the bottom is 6x minus 7y equals 17. And now elimination. The x's cancel. Negative 17y equals 17, so y equals negative 1. And now I need one of the equations. I don't know. I could take any of these equations. Let's take this one, right? So I get 3x equals negative 5 times y, which is negative 1. So 3x equals 5, x equals 5 thirds. So we get the answer 5 thirds and negative 1, the ordered pair.